Okay, we're at the end of the second week. We're gonna check on these guys. I didn't feed them a week ago because they hadn't made their way through the apples yet. So we're gonna see how it's going in here. I brought them, I usually keep them inside in the sunroom, but I did bring them outside because I didn't know what type of other bugs would be in here. Okay, this paper's getting a little dried out, so we need to make sure we moisten that up good. Let's see what these worms are doing. Looks like it's still pretty moist in here. So even though that top paper was kind of dried out, this mound is perfectly fine and moist. All right, let's see what we got here. We got lots of worms right here. So it looks like they're working on those apples. We will give them some more food today. But it does look like they are making some nice worm castings. Oh, there's a whole bunch. I like this little corner over here. There's a big ball of worms. Okay. Let's see. I don't know how to, if I can put this back up here. Let's see what we're looking at here. Okay. They seem to eat up pretty quick the bananas. I've got some frozen bananas here that had gotten too ripe. We'll put some of those in there. My bag of food is kind of everything is stuck together. I don't want to give them too much because I don't want the bin to start smelling. That's probably all I'm going to give them for today. We got some eggshells in there. I think I will kind of keep the food over in this one corner. Let them finish up those apples that were there. See, here's an apple that's still getting eaten. Kiwi skin. I think I just put that kiwi in right now, so. Then I do have, oops, I didn't mean to pour that in there. I do have plenty of wet and dry paper here. Some of this wet paper I just squeezed out the water so that it's not dripping. And then we're going to just kind of spread this all around a little bit. I can definitely tell it seems like the new worm castings is a darker color than the starter coconut fiber that I started with. So they are definitely eating the food and producing worm castings and making good soil. As they eat it. I'm going to kind of spritz down everything just a little bit. And then spritz my paper. Put that spritz side down, and then I'm going to spritz the top too. Make sure this is nice and moist to keep all that moisture in. Okay, we'll let them work on those bananas and check back. Probably, they seem to do pretty well for the week. I'll probably won't check back till next Saturday. That's it.